One of the great secrets of Pantelleria, capers. We had an entire day of starting in the caper fields. They pick the caper before the flower blooms. They sort the capers by size.
The caper is an unopened flower bud, and they pick it before the flower opens. If you don't pick the caper, it becomes a flower. Later on, the flower falls off and you get the fruit of the plant, the caper berry.
We are at the Caperficio, where they're processing the capers.
Capers from Pantelleria. This is our laboratory. We are here from 2004. Here we produce pesto, sauces, and pâté, all with capers and with other raw material from the island.
We continued on with a lunch. We ate capers from the beginning to end.
It's in a town called Scauri. It's called La Nicchia. We first had a little assortment of goodies that had capers in various forms and sauces and sun-dried tomatoes and some delicious cheese called Tumma, T-U-M-M-A, pasta. They call it casarecci, with sauce in which the flavor of caper was really prominent. Lots of things on top like breadcrumbs and toasted almonds, and it really had a wonderful texture to it.
Such fresh swordfish with the capers on it.